How to remove the red cross mark from folders and icons in your Windows 11. Hello everyone, and let's get started. If you're getting a red cross mark on your folders and icon, it could either be because of the cloud storage or OneDrive account, sync issues, or it could be because of file corruption as well. So let's try to deal with the troubleshooting methods for both of these problems. To get started with, you have to first open your Open Drive or OneDrive and visit its settings. To find that, click on this up arrow and click on this cloud-like icon, which is OneDrive. Once that is done, tap on the gear icon which is on the top right and go to settings. Hereby, you have to click on unlink this PC and then unlink account. This way, you will notice that all of the red cross that is because of the sync issues will be removed. Likewise, if the issue is because of a file corruption, here are some commands that you can run. For this, you have to open command prompt. For that, click on the search bar, type in cmd, which will open the command prompt. But make sure it is run as administrator. The first command that you need to run is sfc, which will scan and repair corrupted system files. Likewise, the next command is check disk for errors. You may need to reschedule the scan for the next time system restart. Type yes and press OK as well. Likewise, you can rebuild the icon cache as well. For this, there are 4 commands that you need to paste one by one on the command prompt and run. After this, your PC restarts, then the icon cache will be rebuilt. So these are some of the solutions that you can try on. That is all for today's video, and for more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.